No computer?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh gosh, I can't even keep my camera straight.
Taking videos and shit?
Yes.
Ooh, look at that. I bet it gets nice and slow. Look at all the water down there. We're definitely not going to hit that. I was going to say, I think we're... Whoa, buddy. Stay over here. There you go.
Whoa.
That's a fucking thing. I should call Luke. We can just go hit some of Luke up in Orange. But at least it's keeping it cool with the heat on. You can see where people fucking turn around and let me move.
My god, you guys.
Well, we're definitely not going down through there. That's fucking way too muddy. We'll have to find another trip.
I'm gonna have to like put music to this instead of the cut audio.
Jesus.
Uh-oh. There we go. Oh no. This is what we got a Jeep for.
Time to test out that four-wheel drive. I bet you can make it in two.
Yeah.
I'd be careful because there are some pointy ass rocks around here.
Oh goodness. My cameraman skills are awful right now. Because I kind of want to get the side of the Jeep, the trail, and everything else. Oh goodness.
Okay, this hill. You know what? Talk to me over here. Yeah, fucking sitting upside down. Why do you think I got a Jeep? I'm a trailblazer. No. That's why when I got recorded, I was like, yep, Jeep time.
Oh goodness.
Which is good. Because it overheats when it sits still. Yeah. Which I don't know why. I think it's just because the wheel's super bad. Yeah, and you're definitely gonna have to do it.
Yeah. Cut the original audio and put some like good music to it.
When we get back down in this run, I'll spin the tires.
If you want to spin the tires, should I like face the camera towards the back tires?
Yeah, see, still fine.
Oh goodness, am I gonna get muddy?
I don't know. Just don't drop your fucking camera.
I've got it twisted around my wrist. I think I got it. I couldn't really see. Alright, go for it.
so well. I don't know which one. I kind of don't want to know.
That's too soft. Oh gosh.
I wonder what's on the other side. Just a drop
He's gonna
off.
have to back down. Can I zoom? Oh, I can.
Look at all the pretty shotgun shells.
Oh no.
Oh my fuck.
I was gonna say I wouldn't watch.
Oh, he's backing up. Okay, he's smart. Let's hope they don't do a somersault.
And they won't. If they get up there, they get down. Uh-oh. Yeah, that'd be good. Get stuck up there.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. That'd be the fucking perfect place to get stuck. Nobody can
God.
get up there. Why do you go down that way? Ah.
Here they come. Okay, attack the boogies.
Shit.
Okay, go!
Oh, I don't want I don't want to get in the way of your video. Cut it out.
Is she still in 4?
Oh, we just ran into glass.
Gas glass.
What's that? Ooh, that's a pretty big rock. You're done.
Oh no. I wouldn't go over that.
Oh, how far can I go? You could actually do that, no problem. It's like a perfect ramp down.
Oh gosh. I'm not putting my seatbelt on. Fuck my seatbelt.
Okay.
Like a perfect ramp. Videotape, right?
Yeah. Oh my god!
I don't even know what's
Holy.
Keep life. A little bit. Pretty sure something's broken.
Oh god.
This is where we took that mini picture with Tori's car. Whoa, that's a big ass. Done!
Oh, it's not bad.
Alright, let's go.
It looked worse.
Well, let's get out of here anyways. Let's go hit some more mud.